Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I am in such a good mood right now, and we have a new subscription open today, so I am super stoked because inside the subscription is coffee. I may act like I have a little bit too much coffee in me right now, but I definitely could use another cup. So we are opening up the Camano Island Coffee Roasters. Camano, am I saying that right? I am so sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but it is in this box and I cannot wait to see. Kind of hear the coffee beans in there. I don't know, we'll see what's inside. But since this is new to our channel, I'm going to pull up their website and get a little bit more information. Before I do that, I just want to remind you all that I do have several giveaways going on our channel, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check them out down below. I will leave a link to their website down below, and it looks like you can save some money through Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. So it looks like you can get 3.5% cash back, which isn't too bad. If you guys don't have Rakuten/Ebates yet, you guys definitely should get it. I have a code, or a link I should say. I always want to say code, I always have links. So I have a link that'll give you $10 when you sign up. So I'll link that down below if you somehow have not signed up for this cash saving service, which is like not sponsored in this video or anything. I just saw it pop up and I use the service all the time. So check it out if you have not yet already. But let's learn more about this Camano Island coffee. Totally looks like it's about to storm outside. Apparently there's a big storm potentially coming to Florida soon in a few days. Someone just told me about that and I looked it up. Hopefully not. But anyways, it looks like you can try a pound for free when you join the Coffee Lovers Club. But let's get more information about their Coffee Lovers Club. So, Camano Island Coffee has ethical coffee beans, which to them means organic, guaranteeing farmer safety. Ethical coffee means shade grown, guaranteeing bird habitat and preventing soil erosion, so that is great. And also they think ethical coffee means buying fairly traded, guaranteeing a fair wage to their workers, so that is great. And third, they give a hand up, not a handout. They use farmers, or they give farmers independence, all of that. And it says, our company's value doesn't just come from the quality of our coffee or our farmers, but from you, the coffee lover who makes this all possible. Awesome. So how the club works, when you sign up, your coffee is roasted and shipped within the first 48 hours, and you decide how often the coffee arrives. So if you're like a big coffee drinker like me, you can like up the frequency. If you don't drink it too much, you can make it whatever frequency you desire, and you can delay or cancel shipments whenever you want. You can choose from 2, 3, or 4 pounds of coffee per shipment. Save up to 25% off retail. There's free shipping, and 2% from every shipment goes back to the Agros International and Food for Farmers. So that is awesome. And you get to choose a free pound when you sign up, and you get multiple choices. It looks like they have a Papua New Guinea medium roast blend, coffee of the month, which they describe on their website. If you want to check it out, again, that link will be down below. The Camano Island, or is it Camano? Camano Island Signature SWP Decaf. Or the Brazil Dark Roast. Awesome. I would probably choose a medium roast. I usually go for medium roast, but I'd take anything besides decaf. I like my caffeine. And then when you choose your subscription type, let's see. So I'm just going to act like I'm subscribed right now so I can get pricing and stuff like that. This was sent to me kindly free for review, so I don't know any of that yet. So let's see. I'm going to pick the medium roast, choose a grind. So you can choose to get whole bean, French pressed, percolator, drip flat, Keurig grind, universal grind, drip cone, Turkish, espresso 1 or espresso 2. So there are many different options. That is amazing. So I'll just click like the Keurig grind because I have a Keurig. And then so you choose your subscription type. So to get 2 pound club, it's $17.50 a pound plus free shipping. But the more pounds you get at a time, the less price per pound. So if you get 3 pounds at a time, it's $16.66. And if you get 4 pounds, it's $15 per pound. So great. And then you choose your coffee. So I'm just gonna pick one. So you get to choose multiple types of coffee, which is great. Whoa, they have so many different options. So for the free coffee, there's 4 options. But if you wanna, if you actually subscribe, let's see how many there are. I think there's 25 or 26 different kinds you can choose from. So that is amazing that they have such variety. So there's something for every coffee lover. I love that you can choose 2 different types of coffee too, or you can just choose to get it all the same. And then after you choose your coffee, you choose your frequency. So you can get it every 4, 6, 8, or 10 weeks. So I would definitely choose every 4 weeks. So you can choose however you want. So you can choose the amount you get, the type you get, and the frequency you get it. I think that is amazing. I'm all about customization and making subscription boxes be the best for you. But I think we know all about it now. We know that there are so many options out there. So let's see what I was sent. I am so excited. So here's what I see when I open the box. They have like their own tissue paper that says the Camano Island Coffee Roasters. And it smells so good. I love the smell of coffee so much. And then I see the 2 packs of coffee inside. It says on here, here's like the label that comes with it. Thank you for choosing to make a difference with your coffee. We hope you enjoy the delicious flavor of coffee roasted fresh to order and shipped within 48 hours. That's another great part of this. They roast it fresh to order. That is amazing. So I can see on here what I received. So I received the Papua New Guinea medium blend, 1 pound of that, and the Brazil dark roast, 1 pound of that as well. And I got whole bean for each of them, but again, you choose your grind. You don't have to get whole bean unless you prefer it. Oh my god, this is so amazing. So here is the Papua New Guinea medium roast. I love the bags. Oh my god, you guys. They smell so good. I'm totally gonna make some. Okay, so there's like a pretty burn on it. I love the packaging. It says you are drinking the top 1% of the world's coffee. And it says certified organic, fairly traded, shade grown, specialty grade. And on the side of it, it says, in a little over 10 years, coffee lovers have helped us create lasting changes in 42 agro villages worldwide. Thank you, it's so great. And then here's the back side of it, which I'll read quick. It says, have you tried a coffee lovers box? You could have up to 35% off retail, no contracts, no cancellation fees, no hassles. Again, you can choose 2, 3, or 4 pound bags, or options I should say, and it ships as often as you like. And it reminds us that they're USDA organic, shade grown, fairly traded coffee, and specialty grade Arabica. I can never say that word right, or any word right. You guys know that. I apologize. Correct me. Someone always corrects me. It says Camano Island Coffee Roasters is certified organic by the Washington State Department of Agriculture. So they're like legit, oh my gosh. And then on the side, there's a little bit of information. Did you know? Coffee drinkers receive more cancer-fighting antioxidants from coffee than any other source. Hell yeah. Coffee is one of the world's most absorbent crops. That's why organic coffee tastes so great. No pesticides are absorbed into the beans. Shade-grown coffee develops less acidity and caffeine, producing a smoother, less bitter cup of coffee while reducing the chances of heartburn and acid reflux. I actually didn't know all that. That is so awesome. And on here it says these were roasted August 12th, 2019. And I have had this box here for like a week, so they really do roast it and ship it right away. So let me open this up. Oh my god, coffee beans are such like a pretty sight. So I think what I'm gonna do is I will grind these up. I can use my Vitamix to do that, or you can get like a special coffee grinder, whatever you guys use at home, or again, you can choose to have it already ground up if you don't want to go through the hassle of doing that, even though it's super easy if you have the right material. So I will definitely be trying this soon, but let me show you the dark roast. I'll save for next, and this is the Brazil dark roast. Oh, and look, there's those pretty parrots on there. And it looks like the bag says the same stuff. So this is so awesome. So I got 2 pounds of coffee. So amazing. So each bag that was sent to me, if you just buy them on their website, is $18.99. And on here it says, log into your account to manage your next shipment. Thank you for doing your part to take care of not only your coffee consumption, but also the lives that are affected around the world by bringing this coffee to your doorstep. I feel so good about this, and I'm so excited. It looks like there's one more thing in here. Let me look at this, and I'll talk to you about my coffee plan. How bees saved the Gomez farm. Oh, so this is by Food for Farmers, food every day for coffee growing families. It says the Gomez family saved for years to buy a small coffee farm. In their first harvest, however, they lost 80% of their crop to coffee rust. Imagine losing 80% of your yearly wage all at once. Oh, that's devastating. The Gomez family was going to lose their house, their farm, and worst of all, their health. Their son became chronically ill due to malnourishment. They simply could not afford to put enough food on the table. So the family did the only things they could think to do. They rented out their home, moved in with their relatives, and searched for their next opportunity. Then, Juan Gomez, the father, heard of a new beekeeping program started by Food for Farmers. After a year of training, he received 3 hives and equipment. Today, the Gomez family is in a better position. They have 14 fully functioning hives, producing lots of honey and pollen. Juan told us that without this program, his family would have had to sell their house. Today, his son's health has improved thanks to this extra income from honey sales. Perhaps just as important, honey production has given Juan, his family, and other coffee farmers in Guatemala hope for the future and a sense of pride that they can now sustainably provide for their families. To see pictures and the rest of the Gomez's story, go to CamanoIslandCoffee.com/bees saved Gomez family farm. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I'm so glad they're doing okay. But what I'm going to do, I am going to run an errand really quick, and when I get back, I am going to grind up some coffee beans and make a cup, and I will hop back on camera and let you guys know my thoughts on how this tastes. I am so excited. So I'll probably try it black and then try another cup with like a little bit of creamer in it maybe, so I can let you guys know both ways. I used to only drink coffee black. I try and drink it black before 12 because I've been doing intermittent fasting, but I have creamer in my fridge right now. It's like vanilla flavored or something, like, and I know that's not the greatest for you. There's sugar in it, but I do add a little bit in my coffee, especially in the afternoon. So I'm gonna go run my errand. I'll be back in just a second for you guys, but in reality, I'll be back in like an hour and we will try some coffee. Oh my God, you guys, my house smells so good right now. So I decided just to like grind up the whole bag of coffee, the medium roast, and it just smells so good and it tastes even better. I'm one happy coffee drinker right now. Oh my God, you guys, so good. I love coffee. If you guys are coffee lovers too, you guys have to try this. This is so amazing. And I still have this, I have so much coffee now. I usually drink coffee here by myself. I sometimes have people over when we have coffee, but this will last me a while and I am so stoked about it. I love that they give back. I love that it's all like organic, shade grown, fair trade, everything. Like, this company is pretty freaking awesome. The coffee is really freaking awesome. So yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I'm definitely enjoying mine even more now. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.